morning, friends, and welcome to another episode of our European bike trip with no plan. Well, we had a plan to meet with our friend Boggy, and he should already be in Albi, where we are at the moment, but we were waiting in the hotel. We sent the message to him, where are you and what are you doing, but he didn't reply. Yet. And what's more, we couldn't wait in the hotel no more. So we sent another message trying to reach him. And then... Like, seriously? Another friend? Well, it looks like nobody likes us. Well, still Boggy said that we can visit him, but... Do you know what? Yeah, screw that. Let's just screw that. Simple as is. If you can count on anyone, count on yourself. But in the meantime, while we were completely disappointed in our friends, we decided just to go south to Pyrenees and then, stick to our plan, go to Picos for now and screw our not trustworthy friends. Thank you guys, you are really fantastic. And well, I might overreact a bit right now because I'm angry, but the truth is that I'm really disappointed in my friends. That's what it is. But anyway, right now we started to be in really cool area with plenty of corners, hairpins and whatnot. Just take a look on that. Lovely, isn't it? Except a bit too much of the greenery and bushes, so we are not able to see where we are actually. But hey, it's still... Well, it's hard to say what it is because you can see that, but it's a pure fun to ride those roads, that's what it is. See? Loads of fun. And it will only get better, just take a look. Well, the tarmac could be better and no sand on the road, but that's enough complaining, really.
Hello, we are at L'Exclair.
We are basically buying a lunch and then we are going to the mountains. We already been in the mountains. We started around 10 from the hotel in Albi and now we are going to Carcassonne through the mountains, through the hills, and it's lovely. Well, at least we are counting on it. And yes, we are here in the mountains. You might think it's just the bushes like it was, but we are in this place which is impossible to pronounce, so I will give you the name of it. And it's absolutely amazing, but you will see that because the bushes will be no more soon. Well, no more was a bit of overstatement, but actually the bushes are quite limited here. And yeah, finally we've got some rocks. I mean like proper rocks. Right? And honestly, that village in the middle of mountains is like really unbelievable, I think. Look at that house in the bushes. Yeah, I really enjoyed that area, to be honest with you. But probably you can already tell. Brilliant place, I think. What do you reckon? Do you agree with me? Let me know in the comments. Moment, Lucas was quite angry at that road because it was rather slow and his bike doesn't have enough of airflow. When it's boiling hot and you are in a place like that, you would rather like to have loads of airflow. And that's why I don't like bikes with windshields, fairing and that sort of nonsense. If you like that, go in a car. That's the solution for you. Zobaczcie, gdzie stoimy. Ludzie, gdzie my jesteśmy? Can you hear that noise? Who knows what that is? I don't have a clue. It's coming somewhere from the trees here. We are basically in such a place, which is awesome. But that noise, you can even hear it when you are on a motorcycle. So it's like cicadas or something. Who knows? We've got a food, so lovely place for a stop. Absolutely lovely. Go away. Go away. Yes. Go. Oh yes, good boy. But let's take a look on that. Isn't it amazing? That place is basically called Three Castles. I wonder why is that? If you know, let me know. Okay, stop it. There is no more castles there. Just some rocks. Lunch already finished, so it's time to go. And now let's go directly to Carcassonne. Well, maybe not directly, but yeah, something like that. Actually, right now, my friends, I realize that this video is already 10 minutes long. So I thought it actually makes no sense to make it even longer. So I decided to split it into two parts, make that part slightly shorter and publish second part not in a week, but in 3 days. So you will lose kinda nothing. But in the meantime, I discovered why we have climate catastrophe. Just look at that Renault. Yeah, the French cars. they are the problem. But in the meantime, we are in Carcassonne and we are trying to park somewhere there, make a stop here, drink a beer and continue our travel, because we don't have enough time to go inside the city and watch all that in Carcassonne. Yeah, well, that's a gorgeous place, but it's good for traveling in a car. Not on the bike, of course. Well, at least it's not for us and not in that temperature, because it's around 36 degrees right now. But I have to say that this castle is really impressive. Well, not my friend. My friend is not impressive. Luckily, I've got a beer. But he's got more. And look how posh he is.
O, przepraszam.
He looked completely disgusted by my insulting behavior. But you know what? We were alone there. Well, that's what happened when your bike has got full fairing, you are traveling in a hot temperature and you overheat. Yes, that's what it is. And did I just say that I will make that video shorter? Well, actually, I did. And I will, but not just yet. Yes, that's about the time to split it into two parts, and that part from that lovely spot you will see just in 3 days. So stay with me, give me thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and all that nonsense. Thanks for watching, cheers!